Summer days are for fun, not for cleaning pools. Meet the Aiper Scuba N1 Pro, your ultimate pool cleaning robot. So let's dive in. Well, not actually. Let's clean first. Let's start with the fact that it's eco-friendly, so you're doing your bit for the planet while also keeping your pool spotless. It's designed to effectively clean your pool's walls, ledges, and waterline, collecting dirt and dust invisible to the naked eye. It's perfect for pools up to 2,150 square feet or 66 feet in length. It's got a battery life up to 3 hours, so it can handle a thorough cleaning session, and it comes with all the accessories and filters you need to get started right out of the box. Now, let's talk about what makes this robot special. The Aiper Scuba N1 Pro offers premium cleaning performance with its advanced filtration system and brushless motors. It's also the industry's first cordless robotic pool cleaner with horizontal waterline cleaning capabilities. And it can pick up debris as small as 3 microns into a large 5-liter debris basket, ensuring your pool's floor, walls, and waterline are impeccably clean. Thanks to the flow control and infrared sensors, it maneuvers around your pool and handles obstacles with ease. I'm really impressed by its performance and how easy it is to use. Maintaining a pool can be a significant time commitment, but with the Aiper Scuba N1 Pro, you can leave all that behind and let technology do the work for you. Ready to make the dive? Connect with one of our experts today.